Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Now in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about what I'm going to be doing and why I'm doing it. Now, I'm going to be continuing with my Product Creation Formula channel, uploading 3 days a week like I ordinarily do. But what I also plan on doing is starting a second channel. Now this second channel is going to be about keto cooking. Now previously I'd had a lady, this is the downstairs section of my house, and previously I'd had a lady who lived down here and she's just moved out this week. So my plan is that I'm going to go over here and see in here, this is the kitchen area, just a little kitchenette area, and I'm currently cleaning the carpets in the lounge room at the moment, but I'm going to be turning this kitchen area into a little keto kitchen. So over here, this is going to be, I'm going to be putting a bench top along here. I'm going to be adding that splashback to the wall, so as it can. I'm also planning on putting a portable oven in here. I might also put a microwave here. I plan on putting a fridge around about here, just here, and then that's beside the cupboard here. Yeah, so right beside the cupboard here, I do plan on putting a fridge just there. And then over in this gap over here, I don't know if you saw the gap before or not, but in this gap here is going to be a dishwasher. And also I'm going to be adding a bench top just in here. I plan on also putting a portable stovetop on here, so as I can do my cooking. There's not quite enough room for me to put a range hood here, which is a shame, because I think it would have been good. But if I can, I will. As you can see, there's plenty of power points here. There's plenty of nice tiles full of splashbacks, so that's not an issue. And yeah, I'll also put it in the lounge room just here. I plan on putting a table in here somewhere where I can sit down and taste the meals that I've cooked and do a little bit of a review on that. As well as, I also plan on the days that I'm not going to be cooking, I plan on also doing things like product reviews on various keto products. Now with that, Keto Capers is going to be something I'm going to be doing every single day. I plan on cooking in here every night, and I would love it if you're interested in learning to lose weight, learning to cook yummy keto meals. Come and join me every single night for dinner, so as when I've created the video, I can upload it and you guys can join me every night for dinner. Another thing I'll be doing is I'll be making sure I still upload on Product Creation Formula, because Product Creation Formula is my baby. You see, I had previously been on the Keto Diet before I started my Product Creation Formula channel. And with that, what I had done is I'd gotten down to my ideal weight. My problem was I had super fast hypothyroidism. So my thyroid was going so fast, and a big lump in my throat here. It's kind of gone down a bit recently. And I ended up having heart palpitations. I ended up in hospital. And then my doctor gave me tablets to slow down the speed of my metabolism. So that demotivated me to stay on my keto diet. So my keto diet went out the window. Now, the keto diet did not cause hypothyroidism. I'd had it for years prior to my ever starting keto. I had lost over 50 pounds, and that's 25 kilos, and that was great. I was going to the gym every week, and this is pre-COVID, right? So pretty big time COVID hitting. So I was going to the gym every week, I was losing weight, it was great. But then COVID hit, I lost motivation, couldn't go to the gym, couldn't continue on with that, so I just gave up on my keto diet because they gave me tablets to slow my metabolism down. That being said, I lost all motivation. I then started my Product Creation Formula channel, and I packed on the weight again. So what I do plan on doing is making sure that I get that weight down. That weight has to come off. Yeah, but look at this. I was a lot skinnier at one point, I can tell you now. and I'm disgusted at how much weight I've put back on. So I'm motivated to lose that weight because I want to be healthy and fit and strong. And if you are interested in learning about keto and about the keto diet, the name of the channel is going to be called Keto Capers, and I just have to get the channel up and running. So that'll be happening once I finish the renovations of the kitchen. Tomorrow what we'll be doing is we'll be looking at getting the logos ready for the channel. Now I'm going to be doing a series of videos in preparation for this channel getting up and running. So come join me as we start a brand new channel from scratch, right through to where hopefully it will one day be monetized. But I want to get it to the point where we can at least start uploading some videos. I don't know how long it's going to take, and then we'll be going through the various things that need to be done throughout the weeks to get the channel up and running. Now don't forget, in the meantime, I'll also be working down here, getting this area up and running and to scratch where I'm happy enough to start recording down here. Okay guys, so do join me as we create a second channel. And believe me, Product Creation Formula is here to stay. I plan on uploading 3 days a week on Product Creation Formula, but on the Keto channel, I have no choice. I have to upload every single day, just so as I can maintain my weight and get it down again. So, I want to get back down to losing that weight, and I want you guys, if you're prepared, if you're willing to join that, come in and have a look at that channel. You're more than welcome to keep me accountable to making sure I stick on the diet. And hopefully you can join me every night for a yummy meal. And also product reviews of ketos. I'm happy to say Product Creation Formula is here to stay. I am still uploading 3 days a week on that, but I have to upload every day for my keto channel so you guys can keep me accountable. And I'm not doing it just to make money, although it's going to have that benefit in the end. But I do also want to make it so as this channel can help me to lose weight and get back to being healthy again. Okay guys, so come and join me as we do that. So tomorrow's video is all about creating a logo to put on your channel art. Okay guys, look, this is just going to be a quick one because, as I said, I'm currently doing some work down here today, and I still want to upload a video for you guys. So this is going to be today's video. It's going to be short and to the point, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Now, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and if you like it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know if you're interested in having a look at a keto channel that I'll be creating. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.